Monday 27th of April, 10 past 1 in the afternoon. Yep, you've got the chem clouds leaking. Alright, just quickly. Okay, and that's not how they started in the morning. In the morning, the chem clouds were a solid, tightly packed, and there was much more blue and space between them, in blue sky and space in between. However, all morning we had small aircraft making an awful racket for hours, and they were unloading their payloads, not cloud seeding, toxic cloud brightening, or if you want to call it cloud, smog. They were unloading all this morning, like low-level harassment. The noise of these small aircraft spraying shite into the chem cloud, and now look at it. Now it's a fucking mess. It's a fucking mess now. Yeah, they put metal up there into the chem clouds so the EMFs could churn it up and create EMF clouds. EMF smog, sun blocking material. It's not even good to breathe that shit in. That's what will make people sick, breathing this crap in. No hoax pandemic. Nope. It's evil scumbags who've been lying all along. There aren't any clouds. There aren't any natural clouds. They don't form. It's all been scumbags all along. The middle shouldn't even be frozen.